Hi and welcome to the Excited Wanderer channel. Jeju Island is not only known for its natural beauty, but also for its delicious food that can't be found anywhere else in Korea. Today we're taking a look at the top 5 best things to eat in Jeju Island. For address information, check out the description box below. Abalone porridge. Abalone is a very luxurious seafood and you'll get them in abundance at Jeju Island. For a delicious feast of grilled abalone and abalone porridge, you'll want to head over to the Myeongjin Junbok restaurant that's located on the eastern side of the island. This restaurant is also a haven for locals and tourists, so do expect waiting times of up to an hour before being seated. Black pork barbecue. Jeju Huktueji or Jeju black pork is the pork equivalent of Wagyu beef, and it tastes so good when grilled or cooked barbecue style. While the meat is being cooked, it absorbs the smell of the smoke from the grill along with garlic, which is usually cooked alongside it. It is sliced thin enough so that the meat can get slightly crispy, but it also has enough pork fat to retain the flavor. There's an entire food street dedicated to black pork called the Huktueji Goli, which translates to Black Pork Street. Here you'll find many restaurants serving this dish, so you can eat to your heart's content. Halabong. This fruit began growing on the island in 1998 and has been a local favorite ever since. It tastes like a mandarin, but can be incorporated into so many forms, such as this drink that combines green matcha and halabong. The bitter taste of the matcha pairs very well with the fresh citrus fruit. Certainly very refreshing after a long day of exploration on the island. For a truly authentic Jeju dish, head to Jeju Sulop Dak for their Dangyul chicken, a crispy fried chicken that's coated in a sweet and tangy tangerine sauce. You'll be smacking your lips and sucking on your fingers in no time. But wait, leave room for dessert too. Try the ice cream that's topped with halabong or peanuts, two locally produced ingredients that Jeju is known for. Spicy hairtail stew. Hairtail fish, or kalchi jorim, is a long and thin fish that looks like an eel, but it isn't slimy. It's usually hard to find these in the wild and even harder to keep them alive because they die really quickly. But they're easy to find in Jeju Island, and that's why you can easily eat them fresh. The place you want to go to is Mana Sikdang, and they specialize in spicy hairtail stew. Be sure to get there when they open at about 8:30 in the morning, as it's usually sold out by 10 or 11 AM. Seafood ramen. With so much fresh seafood to catch from the sea, Jeju has the best seafood ramen to choose from. You can have fresh crab, mussels, or even octopus in the same bowl. Needless to say, Jeju is a seafood lover's paradise, so definitely check out their seafood ramen when you're here. A local restaurant called Nolman is so famous for its seafood ramen that they've been featured on live television before. It also has glowing reviews on TripAdvisor, so you definitely want to give this place a try. What has been your food experience like in Jeju? Let me know in the comments. And as usual, be sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell for more updates in the future. And I'll see you in the next episode.